Weh. Good day. So today is lunch date with my coworkers and leaders. So today papunta ako sa may restaurant kung saan located sa Taichung. So yung kakainan naming restaurant is Chamonix ang pangalan niya. So I heard na yung food daw is very delicious. That's why I'm so excited. And of course the bonding with them. So dito nagbook ako ng taxi and you know what? Tesla na matte black yung nabook ko. Super ganda. So here, biyahe na ako papunta dun sa restaurant. Tapos eto na, nagkita-kita na rin kami. So at exactly 11:30 AM nagbukas na siya. Pero 11 PM yung call time. 11 AM yung call time namin. Kaya napaaga rin ang punta. So sa pagpasok mo, here's the reception. Ito yung main. Oh my God, ang ganda. I can't even imagine na makakakain ako. Cherries arte. So dito is nag-uusap-usap na kami kung saan yung area ng mga employee and the leaders. Kasi actually, magkakasama yung Pinoy and yung Chekwa. Magkabukod ng table. Since hindi kasi kami magkakaintindihan ng language. So dito, ayan, so uupo na kami and then maya-maya pupunta na dyan yung chef na magluluto in front of us. So dito nag-prepare lang kami kasi we are going to order. So yung waiter is, they are going to give us a menu. So ayan yung menu. Medyo binagalang ko lang siya para at least sa mga ibang company dyan na planong kumain sa restaurant na to, may idea na kayo regarding dun sa menu. And here's what, kung titignan mo siya, try to check it out. Parang ang konti lang niya, like feeling mo hindi ka mabubusog or masasatisfied. Basta yung bawat price is, yung total price niya is nasa 1,000 plus NT, pero sulit. Trust me guys, sobrang sarap ng food dito. And check nyo muna yung menu. Masyado na akong madaldal. So ayan, nandito yung shop namin and nag-start na siya magluto. Here's the water and wine. Ito yung first menu na in-order ko. The second one, soup to, cheese soup with bread and salmon with salad. And then, as you can see, ito yung dalawang chef na nagluluto sa front namin. And he's going to make a fried rice. Ayan yung, oh my God, lobster. Ayan, so nagka-fried rice si sir. And then ito, salmon to eh. I don't know kung ano yung sauce. And then after that, ayun na yung steak na in-order namin. Kumbaga, lang yung trial lang. Imagine, trial pa lang yun. Ang dami ng free na binigay sa amin. Ito na yung lobster. Halo-halo yung laman niya. Especially may siya, melted cheese na sobrang nagpasarap. Diba? Yung balat niya, naubos ko. So, dito habang nagchichikahan sila ako, Lamon is live. Siyempre, susulitin natin yung binayad, diba? Actually, libre ng company to. So, nag-set lang yung limpan namin or leader kung saan kami kakain at kung kailan. And this is the first day off na sinet ni Madam kasi I'm so happy kasi off ko pa bukas. So, pahinga pa rin after this. So, dito kakain ako ng kakain. Just watch it. Sarap nito yung steak.
Wait, lobster talaga yung pinakagusto ko. Pero wala naman sausawan.
And then after this, the long wait is over. Ito na yung mga available nilang dessert. Ayan, pistachio cake ata. Pistachio cake. And then ito yung order ko, ice cream with chocolate fudge. And may syrup siyang coffee. And the black tea after ng mga oily foods. And then the cake, mini cake. Then, uwian na. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!